Yeah, I'm back. Sorry, I'm on my Lori 1029. I'm with Trials the Ninja. We did like a shopping spree. Hopefully you guys watched the video.
Yeah.
She's right back here.
It's kind of hard to see me. But you have to zoom in. Like, where are you going?
It's right there.
There we go. Yeah, like in the back. You can't see me. I'm like mostly protected. Out of everyone, I'm protective.
I am too.
Yeah, pretty much.
And now I'm just gonna add, since this won't be saved, I'm just gonna add another thing.
Yeah. Just add it.
Extra protection to see now I'm protected. Like the same as Bella, so.
Yeah, pretty much.
Next time you're gonna be the driver.
Oh no.
Honestly, since this isn't gonna save, I'm just gonna
Cover it all. Do it all.
Except for the windows. The windows are fine.
The windows are beautiful. Beautiful. This took her forever.
It did.
Like, it seriously took you forever.
I needed a perfect boat.
I've been sleeping. Okay, so she started at 11:04.
I don't care if it looks ugly. I just want to get this thing.
And now it's like 11:22, and she started at like 11 o'clock.
Not really that exact time, but
Around 11 o'clock. Now it's like 11:22, so it's sort of like 30 minutes, pretty much. Like around 30 minutes, maybe. And that like.
And if it doesn't make it, I mean, oh well. But
She saved it.
Yeah, and I'm not gonna save it.
Okay, launch the boat.
Okay, let's go. And I have TNT to protect it.
Yeah.
Yes, I love this. Why did I not get rid of those extra pieces?
I don't know.
There's seriously torches
In the water. Because you decided it would look cute. Just kidding. Oh my god. Yours looks so much better. Mine is low detail, so it doesn't look very good. It's low quality.
Mine looks a lot better.
Yeah. RIP headphone users, because I have some pretty high pitched noises that I might make when we like crash. Because it's so beautiful. Oh my god, I really wish that you could see her right now. But at the same time, I don't.
Yeah, you really don't.
But I do. It'd be so fun.
Mies will be right back. Tell me if anything happens. Honestly, you just need to talk to the computer. So
Okay. Well, I know that.
Good.
And like, it's so pretty. So this is like all the size of the boat. Pretty much. But we're gonna just look at it from the front. It looks really pretty. Oh, okay. It went dark for a second. Oh no, we're turning. Did we lose any blocks so far? It doesn't look like we have so far, which is great. But it's like, this is scary. Oh, okay. Yeah, we're sideways. Oh my god, we keep hitting like big blocks.
That's amazing.
Ow.
Hey, it doesn't look bad though. Hey.
No, it doesn't. I don't think we've lost any blocks. I
No,
feel like
we
this
haven't.
is like sturdy. Like, you added so many blocks on.
I know, I like have over 100 blocks.
Yeah. I'm not even kidding.
We're gonna start losing blocks, but I mean,
It's more common.
oh no.
There's
Okay,
another
okay, we've
one
lost
back here.
one block.
One block, that's it.
Yeah, right there.
Oh. And, like, you can't even see it. This just looks amazing.
I just love this boat.
Yes, it's so pretty. Although you cannot see us in it because, like, it's all blocked off for protection and all that stuff.
Tell me if anything happens. I'm getting a snack.
Okay, get something small.
You can get something.
No, I'm good. Oh my god. Okay, don't lose any more blocks, please. Oh, what? That? A rock just went flying and it didn't. That's not even what is that?
I'm pretty sure that's a snowball. I'm pretty sure this was a snowball thing.
Yeah.
No, we've lost 2 blocks.
Okay. Well,
JK, it's fine.
oh, yeah. Well, it's okay. I like the black cobblestone the best. It's the prettiest part of the whole thing.
Oh, now we're gonna start dying.
No, we can't. We can't start dying. We didn't lose any blocks yet. Oh no.
We haven't lost anything, actually.
No. Like, this is sturdy. This is mostly made of
No, I lost my elephant.
No. Oh my god, we sunk a little bit.
No, I didn't. We went up because of a block.
Yeah.
You know what? This still looks cute.
Yeah, it still looks adorable, but like, so sad.
My god, don't hit a bomb, please.
Oh my god, we're gonna soak it.
We're not gonna hit a bomb.
Yes, we are.
No, we aren't.
Right there. We're gonna hit that right there.
No.
Oh my god, I thought we were against the law. We didn't hit a bomb.
Thank
That's
God.
That's the first time we haven't hit a bomb and went through here and didn't hit a bomb.
What if we make that? This would be amazing if we made it.
I think we will, honestly. Like, this is an amazing.
Yes, lava level. We're close.
This is beautiful.
You guys,
I love this.
like this video right now if you think we're gonna win, and comment. Oh my god. Stuff is destroyed. No.
The front of it is like losing everything. This is so scary.
Okay, we're good now.
Okay, kind of good. I like the lava low because it's like just beautiful. It's
Now the
beautiful,
top's
beautiful.
off, thank God. Except for that.
Yeah, but you know, it's okay.
Oh no, these are bombs.
No, it's all bombs. Like, oh no! Lauren, all the windows are off.
No.
Your chair is gone. Your chair is literally gone. Get out of my chair! Get out of my chair! Get out of my chair! Oh, no. Okay, so I'm zooming in here. It shows on my screen that you're off. Like, they're literally off. Okay. Oh my god, my chair is gone.
Bella!
Oh no.
No, Bella.
Wait, the other boat. It's not in use. It's saved. I'm going on my own boat. Bye.
Maybe.
I'm gonna go on my own boat. Bye.
Hey, this boat was good though.
Yeah, it's pretty good, but like you lose your chairs and stuff. But I think you'll make it if you just be careful. Okay. So what I can do is I can go into the slots because we share a thing. Should I like do my own boat?
Yeah.
I'm just gonna do my own boat.
You should wait for
Wait,
me.
what the frick?
I'm stuck.
Wait, what's going on? It doesn't. It's showing that there's like none here. Look. In the slots. It shows that there's nothing there.
I know it's because you can't have my slots.
What? Oh, that's sad. Oh, Lauren, you're stuck. Oh no. Oh no. This is bad.
No, it's fine.
Are you
I'm
sure?
stuck now. Now I can't get out.
Oh, then it's good. Then it's good, right? Coffee.
No, don't tip. No.
It tipped again. Lauren. Oh, Lauren.
Oh wait, this is fine actually.
There's no water here. Are you on the island?
No. I'm this one.
Come on, Lauren, you got this. You got this. You got it. Okay, so we are really surviving. Okay, so we've been
My boat has been doing good for me.
Yeah.
Bella kind of died.
I like slipped up.
No, that means no. Hey, I could have made it if I stayed on, because that's right where the waterfall was.
Yeah. That's so sad.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna buy a legendary crate, so let's buy it. Let's see what I get.
Legendary?
35 of that. Hey,
Which
look.
one's legendary?
Purple.
Well, I can't buy the legendary. Sorry. I'm gonna... See, I can't buy it. I'm just like, I will
Ooh.
buy this one. It's only 45.
I got good stuff.
Got 5 of these,
Here's
2 of
our
those. Oh, okay.
7
2 of
trapdoors.
these.
Another booster.
1 of these button things.
Well, I have
another
3
door.
boosters.
Oh my god. Good job. Good job, honey. Good job. Okay, well, are we just going to use the same boat? Since we saved it? I
Not
think we
the
should.
elephant boat. We're gonna use my other cube boat.
Oh my gosh. Last time we both died. Oh god. What are you doing? I'm just like, what are you doing? Fotsy.
Is this the right one? No.
No.
It's this one.
I'm just like.
We need to delete these blocks.
Okay. Yeah. No, we want this one. So this is a good one. So this is how we get in, and she's just like,
Here, we'll
No.
switch spots this time. Here. Yeah, you go there.
yeah. We're switching. Usually that's
You're
my
in the
spot.
air.
No, I'm not. Oh my god. What the heck? Okay, this is good. This is good. It's Gucci.
But I know you're down there.
Yeah. Yours is being Gucci for some reason.
No, it's just because of it
No, it's
does
being
that.
Gucci.
Not glitchy. If it was glitchy, then it'd be moving and like stopping and
It
pausing and stuff.
glitched me. It glitched me up there.
Yeah, it's the game's fault.
How dare you, game? You glitched me up there. Where I'm really down in my chair. But I'm actually like in a sitting position, so it's kind of cool. Lauren, you're a royal member now.
I know I have been. I joined the I joined the group, so yeah.
At first you were a mega member though. Now you are literally a queen.
I have 3 boosters, so I'm gonna add all 3 boosters.
Oh, where?
1.
Oh god. Good thing I'm not actually on top this time. Okay guys, I was off camera, but so I was like on top because she wouldn't let me in. And I literally I flew away.
Goodbye.
I didn't actually die though, I'm actually like in there.
I know it just
Yeah.
fixed now. We have 2 more minutes.
You gotta stop. What's your problem? What's your problem, girl? We're backwards. It's actually like good when we're backwards because then the boosters take all the hits. Goodbye. I'm zooming away.
No, don't go.
Zoom away. Yeah, so she did that when I was standing on top, and I told her not to, but she just didn't listen. So I can actually see wherever we're going right now. So I'm just gonna zoom in a little bit. So we're gonna hit that rock, and we're gonna hit that rock, and we're gonna hit that rock. Yep. We're gonna hit that rock over there. And we're gonna hit
This
that
is
rock.
Bella's view.
Yep, that's my view.
Guess what's gonna happen?
Rock. And then rock,
This. No,
and
you're gonna
rock,
see
and
this.
rock.
You're gonna have to go in to see.
I'm in. Okay, so I went
I'm
in.
all the way zoomed out.
Yeah, we can't see anything. Okay, so now I can zoom back out. And we're gonna hit quite a few rocks coming up. The server will be shutting down in 13, 12.
Oh my god, the
11.
server will be shutting
10.
down in 10 and 8. Why is it going? Shutting down.
I don't know.
Okay, well, this video is gonna end. So thank you guys so much for watching.
Yeah.
Bye.
Yeah, bye.
Well, I'm not dead yet.
You just died.
Oh, I guess we're joining new server. But yeah, bye.